Hi, kindergarten. Today we're going to be looking at capacity again. And when you're looking at capacity, you're asking the question, how much can you fill it? So for today's activity, you're going to have to find 4 objects that are almost exactly, has almost the same capacity. You can fill it almost the same amount. It looks so close. And then we're going to test out to see which one will actually be able to hold more, which one will have the greatest capacity. So I've got 4 objects here, and they all can hold almost the same amount of capacity. This one is the tallest, but you can see on the inside it's really skinny. This one is the shortest, but it's actually the fattest, okay? So we'll see which one will hold the most. Well, first of all, I'm going to compare 2 objects at a time, okay? So, these 2 objects I'm going to compare first. Now, we looked at a couple different ways of how we can figure out which one can hold more. Can you think of one yourself? How can I find out which one will hold more? Well, I'm going to show you 2 different ways. Are you ready? Okay, the first way is by filling up with water. Okay, so I'm going to fill up this here all the way as close as I can to the top. Now, if it overflows, that means that this one can hold more, okay? Oh, it overflowed. That means this one can hold a little bit more water than this measuring cup. Okay? So this one can hold more. Now, I'm going to also use my rice to see which one can hold more. Okay? So I know this one can hold more than this cup. But now what about this cup or this mug? Okay? So you're gonna need to grab a spoon, which I have in my pocket. Ta-da! And I'm gonna see how many scoops of rice will fit in this cup. Now this one is a little bit less accurate because sometimes you do big scoops and sometimes you do a little bit smaller scoops. So they need to be about the same size. I got 3 scoops, 4, and keep counting, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. It reaches to the top and overflows a little bit. So just under 16, okay, for this cup. Now let's try with this cup. If it has more than 16, I know that it can hold more than the transparent measuring cup. There is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 to get to the top. So this mug can hold 21 scoops. So it's a little bit more than this cup. Okay, so this one so far can hold the least, this one can hold the next most, and this one can hold the most. Now I can also use this one to compare, but I've already figured out that these 2 are exactly the same. Okay, so then you can try to order it from the emptiest, or from the one that can hold the least to the one that can hold the most. And that's your activity for today. You can use rice to scoop to see which one holds the most scoops, or you can use the water to see which one holds the most water. Okay, bye kids.